Hey everyone, once again a very welcome on my YouTube channel, which is Shayanita Bhattacharya. I know you all are missing those delicious chocomos of great food joints in this pandemic. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I make mousse at home. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So it takes basically 5 products to make Oreo Choco Mousse. So the first product is Oreo itself. So this pack of Oreo costs for ₹10 only. So the second item is Cadbury Dairy Milk. This pack of Dairy Milk also costs for ₹10 only. So the third product is fresh cream. This pack of fresh cream costs for ₹55. So over here I have taken fresh cream. So if you want you can take whipped cream too. So the fourth item is butter cube. This cube costs for ₹5 or 6 maybe. So the last or you can say the fifth item is icing sugar. This sugar I have made at home only by grinding the sugar particles. So first thing first, I will prepare all the raw materials or you can say raw item for this recipe. So firstly I will crush all the Oreo biscuits into equal pieces. I will put one biscuit aside for garnishing at the last. So after that I will again cut the chocolates into equal pieces. So now I will pour the cream into the bowl. So after that I will add that icing sugar which I have prepared at home only. I will apply only 1 teaspoon of icing sugar as the biscuits are already sweet. Then I will add the butter cube. Then I will blend it well until it got a thick mixture. Then take a cup or you can take a glass and pour the cream over there. After pouring the cream, I will add Oreo pieces over here. After that, again I will add cream. After that, I will again add Oreo onto it. So now I will make chocolate cream. So I will add the chocolate which I have cut over in the earlier. And blend it well. So now I will add the cream on it. It's already looking so delicious. Then I will add the remaining Oreo pieces for garnishing. And the big one in the top. So after garnishing the whole cup, make sure to put the mousse into the freezer for at least 30 minutes. So yeah, this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to share it. Put a comment down in my comment box and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next video. Till then, bye bye.